my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and this is installation number 4 of my reimaginings of my mom's dishes that she prepared for Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoy. Come back to see what I do for my last installation. My mom would make a whole turkey stuffed with either cornbread stuffing or a sage stuffing she made with regular stuffing from Pepperidge Farm. She always used Pepperidge Farm. That's why I use it today. For me, since I'm cooking only for myself, I'm using a turkey breast and I'm making a stuffed turkey breast. All right, now back to the video. I'm cleaning the turkey breast with water and white distilled vinegar. I make sure I always do this with all my poultry. All right, back to the video. When you make your brine, make sure you use acidic liquids. Here I'm using the white wine, or dry white wine, and I'm using freshly squeezed orange juice. You can use whatever you want to. Remember, it's yours and it's going to be to your taste. Time to sanitize both my hands and the surfaces I've touched right after handling this raw meat. Alright, back to the video. Be sure to brine overnight. I'm using my favorite kind of stuffing, cornbread stuffing. Aromatics are vegetables and sometimes herbs that are cooked or crushed and added to foods to add enhanced flavor. Back to the video. Since I'm a pescatarian, I won't be using meat, but my mom would use breakfast sausage, you know, the roll of breakfast sausage, Jimmy Dean's, things like that. And she would cut it up and brown it and then add the grease along with the meat into the stuffing. Here, since I'm a pescatarian, I'll be using the Impossible ground sausage. All right, back to the video. Just like ground turkey and ground chicken, the Impossible ground meats and ground burgers don't pack a lot of flavor. So I'm going to be using a lot of seasoning here, especially a lot of salt. Not too much salt though. Alright, now back to the video. If you had to add seasoning to your meat like I've done here, make sure you taste it before you add it to the stuffing mix because you want to make sure it's well seasoned. And also, you'll be able to add less seasoning to the stuffing mix to begin with. Alright, now back to the video. The stuffing did taste good, but I thought I needed a little bit more adobo and some pink salt, so I'm adding it here. Remember, you're making it to your taste, so make sure you taste it and adjust seasonings as necessary. Alright, now back to the video. I did mean to buy the skewers, but I completely forgot. And you know, it would be easier to use those skewers than the toothpicks. They're easier to find when you need to take them out at the end, after the turkey comes out of the oven. Okay, back to the video. My garlic herb oil is simply roasted garlic, olive oil, and adobo. I have a video for roasting garlic, which I'll leave in my description box, a link for you. All right, back to the video. My reimagining of my mom's Thanksgiving turkey, well, I stuffed the breast instead of using the entire bird, and I think I did a good job. If you like what you see, please make sure you give me a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you enjoy this content. Make sure you come back, give me a share if you like to, and leave a comment for me, why don't you? What do you think of this dish? Okay, come back for the last installation, number 5, and that will be a dessert. Thank you for watching to the very end. Many blessings and much favor, and I hope to see you soon.